everyone. Today the kids are getting a little bit bored inside, so we're going to come outside and have a little bit of bird watching. Got plenty of birds in the countryside to have a look at, so I've given them a list of common birds that I will see every day, and they're going to do a little bit of a tally chart and work out how many there is. So our most common little birds that we have in this area are blue tits, we've got sparrows and we've got robins. So I've given them a little task to see how many they can see in the next hour. The blue tits, the robins and the sparrows at the minute are using our hedgerows to make nests. So all getting ready now for nesting season. We are not able to cut them hedgerows now until the back end of the year, so we don't disturb them while they are nesting. So hopefully we might be able to see a few. Watch this space. Other birds that we'll also see, we get a lot of crows in this area. We do get a lot of crows obviously because they come down for the cattle feed, so they see all the grain on the floor and they like to eat that up. As well, they will be nesting in the trees, so we're getting a lot of buzzards at the moment. They're hovering around to see what they can get. Sometimes when the chicks are in the nest, the buzzards will come and mire the crows to get to the nests, and you do now and then see crows attacking buzzards to protect their babies. So we are waiting for the arrival of the house martins and the swallows. They will travel a long distance from as far as Africa to come back to the same place. They like to build nests. Our swallows for some reason like to build the nests above the dog kennel, which isn't great for them, but that's where they like to go back to. So we love seeing the baby chicks every year and the fledglings. So here are the children now. They've been given their sheets of what we want to go and see outside. So I made them this morning. They're the breeds of birds that we're looking for. So we've got the blue tit at the top, we've got the sparrow, we've got a robin, a crow, a moorhen and a buzzard. And we're actually doing a little bit of a prediction of how many we're going to see here and what type of food they like to eat.
So we're going to try and find all the birds now, which are on my tally sheet, and we are going to put a tally by them when we find them. Come on in.
There was definitely some in that bush over there, girls.
What about in there?
There might be. All go in the same direction though. There's one in there. Look in that bush over there.
What's that?
That's a blackbird.
No blackbird.
No, I haven't got blackbirds.
Oh, yeah.
There's a sparrow over there. Oh, there's a buzzard. Look, there's a buzzard.
Buzzard. Sparrow. Bye.
Where's the crows gone? We've just missed the crows, haven't we?
Blackbirds on our thing. Are they moorhens?
No, the moorhens are up near the water.
Oh look, there's one in the sky.
Here's our doggies.
Go! Another buzzard.
Another buzzard. Oh yeah, there's a buzzard over there. There's a crow over there. There's a crow.
Okay, two. My tally top is so on me.
How many have you seen, Is?
I've had 10.
there's our cows enjoying the grass. Mm.
I found flowers. Well, that's not probably like a flower. But the nice bird flowers. Yeah, but you're supposed to be looking for them and then they'll be big.
If you have a look, you'll probably see straw that they're pinching from our shed to use for the nests.
Yeah, that's what.
And they've used all Sky's hair because I took all Sky's hair out yesterday. This is Sky. She had a good trim yesterday.
Bunny cub.
And they've used her hair to pick up and take to the nests.
I saw them doing that yesterday. But I saw them take the straw instead of the hair.
Whose that is?
Bunny. Ow. There. 2. 3. 3. More As you get down.
So if you can see up there now, we've got a lot of straw from the RSJ there at the top of the shed. So that little bit of steel at the top of the shed there. And that's where sometimes we get nests built up there. We get a lot of chicks up there. But they've got access to everything they need in here, water, food, so they're happy. Up there we've got a little nest, a sparrow nest up there. There we are, he's just flown off and out underneath the roof there. All the girls have counted how many birds they saw and which one was the most common, girls?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. So if we have a look at this bar graph here that Charlie's done, we can see there the purple one. How many did we get in total, Charlie? 20 sparrows. So that seems like the most common one where we are now. So if anyone wanted to have a go, it's dead easy. All you need is papers, pens and a little bit of squared paper
To make a bar graph.
to make the bar graph, yes.
But first you need information.
You do. Yeah. So, have you all enjoyed yourself today, kids?
Yeah.
Yeah? You enjoyed all the birds?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Well, say bye to everyone.
Bye.
And we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.